Musamseleku he dated Mangwabe and Makumalo at the same time, but Makumalo was the first to stay in Muzumbe before Mangwabe. Mangwabe doesn't want to get married to Musamseleku because she knows that Musamseleku have got 4 wives, because at that time Musamseleku was already married to Mayeni, but they are not staying together. Musamseleku was with Mayeni, Macele, Masaule, and Makumalo again. That's why it took time Mangwabe to agree to marry Musamseleku. Musamseleku was keeping begging, and Mangwabe at that time, she was still at nursing school. That's why she was not in rush to get married to Musamseleku. So Musamseleku was begging Mangwabe until he promised Mangwabe that she should be the last wife. I don't want to get married to another wife. You are my beautiful wife. You are my flower, what. Musamseleku promised Mangwabe many things. But you know that a man can change anytime. When Musamseleku he bring Mangwabe in Muzumbe, he was expecting that they are going to have got 4 kids or 5 kids with Mangwabe, to have got 20 kids. And he didn't know that Makumalo can't have kids anymore. That's why he promised Mangwabe that you are the last wife. But now Musamseleku he break Mangwabe's promise. Mangwabe have to know that a man he have got Istanbul. What about here? What is so special about here when Musamseleku didn't agree with his love of his life, Mayeni, to not to have Istanbul? Mayeni's family, they don't allow Musamseleku to have Istanbul. But Musamseleku was in love with Mayeni with his whole heart. But he want to have Istanbul. What about Mangwabe? He can promise Mangwabe that you are the last wife because he want to win here. He knows that once he win here, when Mangwabe doesn't do what he want, because at that time Musamseleku didn't expect that Masaule, yes, Mangwabe started to stay in Muzumbe when Masaule she passed away. Masaule and Makumalo are 2 wives who don't have kids with Musamseleku. That's why it pushes Musamseleku to marry Makwela. I don't know that Makwela is going to fulfill Musamseleku's number, 20 kids, because Makwela now, she have got a 1 child. Makwela can't have another child if Musamseleku doesn't bring Makwela in Muzumbe. So it's a problem again. So Mangwabe, it's a lesson to her because she thinks that she is important. Mayeni says that at that time Musamseleku he bring Mangwabe. Musamseleku was always much in love with Mangwabe and saying Mbali this, Mbali that. But look at it now, they don't get along with Mangwabe. So Musamseleku broke Mangwabe's promise that Mangwabe is the last wife because she doesn't have those kids. They have got 2 kids. Because Mangwabe says I have got miscarriages, it doesn't matter to him. It matters to him is to have kids. Whether you have got miscarriages, he can't count those miscarriages, but he can count his kids who are alive. You know, Musamseleku sometimes what he did to Mangwabe. Mangwabe, she feel very disrespected by Musamseleku because she doesn't want to marry Musamseleku. Even her colleagues, they tell her that why you want to get married on Istanbul polygamy. But at that time, Mangwabe was much in love with the Musamseleku. So there is no need to blame Makwela. That's why Makwela, she is married to Musamseleku. She fall in love with Musamseleku. Why she fall in love with the polygamist Mangwabe? She knows that Musamseleku have got wives. And you know that Macele, guys, she knows what she is doing. She want those wives to feel that, to say that they are not important. Because what is so special about them? Your man that says you are the last wife. Mangwabe doesn't want to get yet, but she want to get other women, they have to be hurt. Macele, Mayeni, they have to be hurt. But doesn't want. When Musamsele could decide to bring another wife, it's a problem.